So we have 4 more tickets, and this happens to be perfect. Tractor track, 4 tickets. So this is, they're choosing which one they want to sit on, and then they will, it's not motor, so you pedal it at your own pace. Right around the tractor tracks, you have these food trucks here. They have hot dogs, grilled cheese sandwich, french fries. They had nacho. I took the nacho with what is it, chilies and jalapenos and stuff, so it was $8. But this is great. So you can adjust your seat based on how tall and short you are, and you can do this as long as you want. As long as you get tired, you can stop. So basically, this is the track. You see how she's driving? Well, she's riding her tractor, like bicycle, and you just go around. Push yourself, Mama. You go at your own pace. Keep pedaling.
Keep battling later.
Oh my God. Let me see. So turn, turn, turn.